Today, we're going to show you how to switch the lens on your Nova Redline, and more importantly, when and why you should do it. Your laser lens determines how the beam is focused. Different focal lengths change the shape of the beam, which directly affects your cutting and engraving results. The shortest focal length for the Nova is 50.8 millimeters or 2 inches. This is ideal for fine engraving and detailed work. You get a smaller spot size, which means sharper detail, but you may see an angle when cutting thicker materials. The 63.5mm or 2.5 inch gives you slightly straighter edges, ideal when you're cutting a lot. Good balance between engraving quality and cutting capability. The longest focal length, 101.6mm or 4 inches, this is ideal for cutting thicker materials. The beam stays more parallel, giving you straighter edges and better performance in depth. However, you may notice your engraving will not be as sharp. That's all for today. Happy lasering!